Dear children, today we are discussing about the lesson Caskets of Life. Look at this picture. Here you can see Minnu. Minnu is walking along the beautiful garden. At once, something pricked her. It's so painful. She was surprised when she saw a little insect in her hand. How tiny the creature is. There are so many kinds of plants and animals around us. Big, small, of different colors and different shapes and so on. Which is the biggest animal on the land? Elephant. Which is the smallest creature on land? Do you know which is the smallest creature on land? Is ant the smallest creature on land? There will be smaller creatures in land and water and air also. We can't see them. How can we see these minute organisms? Microorganisms that cannot be seen by the naked eyes, that can be observed through the microscope. Microorganisms cannot be seen by the naked eyes. They can be observed through the microscope. What do you mean by microorganisms? Organisms that cannot be seen by naked eyes are called microorganisms. Organisms that cannot be seen by naked eyes are called microorganisms. Which instrument we use to observe microorganisms? Do you know? Microscope. Microscope is the instrument we use to observe the microorganisms. Do you know any microorganisms? Amoeba, Paramecium, Euglena, bacteria, virus. These are some of the microorganisms. Physiological activities also takes place in microorganisms also. The human body is made up of many small units. These small units of the body are called cells. What is cell? What do you mean by cell? Small units of the body is called cell. Organisms with only one cell are called unicellular organisms. What do you mean by unicellular organisms? Organisms with only one cell is called unicellular organisms. Organism with more than one cell is called multicellular organisms. Which are unicellular organisms? Example for unicellular organisms are amoeba, paramecium, euglena, bacteria, virus. Which are the examples for multicellular organisms? Plants, animals. The difference in size of organism is not due to the difference in size of cells, but in the number of cells. Difference in the size of organism is not due to the difference in the size of cells, but due to the difference in number of cells. Look at these pictures. Identify the different types of cells. Which are they? Blood cells, muscle cells, neuron, cheek cells. And there are different types of cells in human body. Different types of cells in multicellular organisms also. Here we can see picture of an animal cell. What are the important parts of the animal cell? Can you say? Center of the cell is nucleus. Center of the cell nucleus. Covering of the cell, cell membrane. Cell membrane. Covering of the cell, cell membrane. The matrix filled inside the cell, cytoplasm. Matrix filled inside the cell called cytoplasm. There are three important parts of animal cell. Which are they? Center of the cell, nucleus. Covering of the cell, cell membrane. The matrix filled inside the cell, cytoplasm. Here we can see diversity in plant cells too. Here we can observe onion peels cell and gourd cells and stem cells. They are different in shape and size. Okay, look at the picture. Here we can see one animal cell and one plant cell. What are the similarities and the differences? We can discuss. Animal cell and plant cell. In two of them we can see nucleus, cell membrane and cytoplasm. Vacuole in the animal cell is too small. Vacuole in the plant cell is big. We can identify that one. And next one, chloroplast. What is chloroplast? Chloroplast, in that thing, in the green color. That thing we can only see in plant cell. Cell wall also we can only see in plant cell. Chloroplast and cell wall we can only see in plant cell. Vacuole is big in plant cell. And other things, cell membrane, nucleus, cytoplasm are same in two of them. Okay children, we have learned that the body of animals and plants are made up of cells. Plants and animals have cells that different in shape and size. The life-sustaining activities take place by the coordination of these cells. Now the time for question answers.
What are cells? Cells are the basic structural units of a living body. What are unicellular organisms? Organisms having only one cell in the body are called unicellular organisms. Example, amoeba, bacteria, euglena. What are multicellular organisms? Organisms that have more than one cell in the body are called multicellular organisms. Is the shape of all the cells in human body the same as that of cheek cells? No. Blood cells, muscle cells, nerve cells, etc. are different the structure and shape. Are the plant cells similar? No. Cells found in the different parts like root, stem, leaves, flowers, fruits, etc. differ in the structure and shape. Instrument used to observe microorganisms. Microscope. Explain the terms nucleus, cytoplasm and cell membrane. Nucleus is the center of the cell. The matrix filled inside the cell membrane is cytoplasm. Cell membrane is the covering of the cell. In what all ways do the cells differ? In the shape, size and structure. Write the differences between the plant cell and animal cell. Plant cell has cell wall and chloroplast. They are absent in animal cells. The vacuole in the plant cell is bigger. Name the organism which has no shape. Amoeba.